Hey everyone, in this video I want to give you a quick update what we'll be working on this month on Patreon and 1mafx.com. So that will be part 2 of our Hammer Impact. In part 1 we set up the character, including all the animations, animation montage, cloth simulation as well, as you can see on that character, and we did some VFX work for the cast and the hammer glow. And in part 2 we will be covering the ground impact, the decal spawning, and also erosion of it, and remaining blueprint setup. Okay, there will be some free tutorials on YouTube as well. We're going to cover how to create the impact textures. This is just a sprite, and those two are being displayed on that disk mesh. There'll be one video. Another video will be how to create this mesh, but using 3 different techniques and not relying on side effects labs tools. And also we're just gonna do a quick video on how to create that circle in a Substance Designer. We're also gonna cover our decal textures, but that's gonna be a longer tutorial, which is gonna be split into 2 parts. We're gonna have our diffuse, height map, some mask for the emission, and also our normal map. If you'd like to get access to those tutorials early on YouTube, you can subscribe to my Gumroad newsletter, where you can actually support this channel if you want to. If not, I'm just gonna send a monthly email with early access to YouTube tutorials and some interesting links in that newsletter as well. I also want to give you an update about Tier 2 on 1mafx.com, and this month we've got this Steam Engine asset. Let me press play. It comes with all the textures, 3D model obviously, and some animations as well. So we've got starting animation, couple idles up, and also I've got the explosion animation for it as well. So let me navigate to that content. There you go, that's the explode animation. I'm just gonna scroll it manually so you can get a preview. Okay, let me press play, you can see it real time. Okay, so you can basically create a couple effects for it. You can add some liquid to it, here to that container, some steam coming out depending on what kind of animation speed you're working with. Some sparks maybe to that gear, and you're also gonna get a PDF with a couple of my ideas what you can add to that model. In the video we're just gonna go through how to import this model into the game engine, create materials for it, also how to set up a blueprint. So you're gonna activate various animation using the keyboard input, and then you can create some VFX for it. It could be Embergen, you can create some flipbook steam, and maybe some sparks as well, that liquid, and you can create a massive explosion for that explode animation if you like. Next month for Tier 2 we're gonna start covering Embergen, and I'm gonna show you a couple of my techniques how I create probably a couple smoke simulations. Alright, thank you so much for your support.